Have you ever had a case where you wanted to log something without stopping your app or changing any code? Well, that's where tracepoints come in. Essentially, a tracepoint is a special kind of a breakpoint that produces a log statement instead of putting your application on hold. To insert an instance, right-click on the left side and click Insert Tracepoint. The field on the right will contain the message you wish to log. Now, this doesn't just have to contain a hard-coded message. You can have it render the number of times this breakpoint has been hit by typing in a $, followed by Hitcount in all caps. If you want to log a variable, just place a left quote bracket, type in the variable name, and place in the closing bracket. Now press enter and run the project in debug mode.
A few moments later.
You will see that your project has not been paused, and if you go to the output window, select debug in the dropdown, you will see a list of log statements for the tracepoint you just placed. Now do bear in mind that this can be extended even further. If you watched my previous tutorial on conditional breakpoints, you might realize that you can attach a condition to a tracepoint as well, and have it log only some of the hits. And there we go, you now know how to use tracepoints.